Stop overcomplicating your charts. Most traders think the holy grail of scalping is some complex system with 50 distinct signals flashing at once. But the truth, that noise is probably why you are losing. I'm not here to hype you up or promise you a Ferrari by next Tuesday. That's not how trading works. But I am going to show you one of the cleanest, most logical day trading setups available on TradingView right now. It combines two free tools that you likely already know, but we are going to use them in a very specific way that most people ignore. If you want clarity in your trading, you need to watch this. Let's clean up your charts. Before we drop the indicators, we need to agree on one thing: the strategy. This entire system is built on pullbacks. If you don't know what that is, imagine a rubber band. When prices trend, they don't go in a straight line. They stretch and then they snap back. That snapback or pause in the trend, that is our entry point. We aren't trying to catch the top or the bottom. We are trying to catch the continuation. Now, spotting these manually can be exhausting, so we're going to automate it. Open up your TradingView. For the first tool, we want something that defines the trend and the entry zone instantly. Search for Double EMA with pullback buy signals. Add that to your chart. By default, this tool gives you two moving averages, a 50 and a 200. The logic is simple. If price is above both, we are in an uptrend. Only look for buys. If price is below both, downtrend. Only look for sells. But here is the problem. The default settings are designed for swing trading. They are too slow for scalping crypto or Forex on the lower time frames. We need to speed this up. Let's tweak the engine. Go into the settings and click on inputs. Change EMA 1 from 50 to 45. Change EMA 2 from 200 down to 90. Why are we doing this? By shortening the lengths, we make the indicator more sensitive. It reacts faster to price action, giving us more frequent opportunities. You'll see the indicator printing B and S signals when price dips between these lines and closes back out. But look closely at the chart. Do you see the problem? With faster settings, we get more false signals. We get buy signals even when the market is crashing. We need a filter to kill the bad trades. To fix this, we are adding the Swing Arm ATR trend indicator. This puts a colored ribbon on your chart. Green ribbon equals buyers are in control. Red ribbon equals sellers are in control. But here is the pro tip that makes this strategy work. We aren't going to use this on the current time frame. We are going to use it to see the big picture. Go to the settings. Change the resolution time frame to one step higher than what you are trading. If you are scalping the 1 hour chart, set this indicator to 4 hours. Set the factor or area to 10. Go to the style tab and uncheck everything except the background color. We just want the ribbon. Now the trap is set. Here is the strict checklist for a valid trade. For a buy trade, the filter. The swing arm ribbon must be green. If it's red, ignore everything. The trend, price must be above the slow EMA, the 90 line. The trigger, we wait for price to dip below the fast 45 EMA and then close back above it. The indicator will print a buy label. For a sell trade, it's the exact opposite. The filter, ribbon must be red. The trend, price is below the 90 EMA. The trigger, price rallies above the 45 EMA, then closes back down below it. A strategy is useless if you lose all your money on one bad trade. Here is how we manage risk. When you enter a trade, put your stop loss just below the recent swing low for buys or above the swing high for sells. For your take profit, aim for a 1-2 risk to reward ratio. This means if you risk $10, you aim to make $20. This way, you can win less than half your trades and still be profitable. See, trading doesn't have to be a mess of lines and confusion. You have a trend filter, a pullback identifier, and clear rules. Go open a demo account and backtest this yourself. Don't just take my word for it. And if you liked this setup, I have another scalping strategy that pairs perfectly with this one for specific market conditions. I'm breaking that down in this video right here. Click it and I'll see you there.